Hi, today I will remove the modules from the Sirena brains computer, brains module or whatever. So each module here on the left have two screws to remove. They were previously sealed, but I did remove the seals a long time ago already. So here we are. Here is how it looks like. Each time you have two connectors like this. The modules are more or less covered. Here you can see there is a shading on this side and on this side too. It is quite sad, this one, but it is here. So about the factory seals on the screws, you can see there is a little cup here, and originally it is filled with, like here, in fact, with black wax or something like this, and it is stamped. But in fact there is a design failure in these cups, because the back side of them is flush, and in fact you can unscrew them, remove the screw without damaging the seal, because it is just like a grub screw. In fact, usually you have a little pin at the back, but here no. So it is quite a fail, because you can remove most of them, in fact, just by turning the thing and keep the seal intact. So I did not know it when I first got the device, so I spent quite a lot of time removing the wax, but in fact it was maybe not necessary. So here is the first module. As you can see, it is quite fancy, completely potted, but we will have a detailed look at it later. The second one, I will turn it around for you. As you can see, this one has no backing of no shielding of the PCB. You can already see some interesting stuff, like a little PCB over the PCB here. So we still have two connectors. So the numbers of the modules are written here, so it is not a big deal to put them back in place. Here is what it looks like. As you can see here, a lot of transistors, mostly only transistors in fact. One, so this third one is the same than the first one, I believe. So it is good. I will not need to remove the large shielding. We will have a look at this one instead. Yes, you can see on the front we have the same shielding, but not on the back. So here are the smaller ones. It comes very easily too. And the last one, this one is completely closed. So maybe there is something more delicate in it. It is missing a screw also. Okay, now as it is done here, you can see can you see them? Yes, the plug-in connectors for them. Pretty fancy stuff. The contact seems to be silver coated, and this one are gold coated, silver here too. And here you can see the cards inside the card cage, so quite a lot of them, but it is just a teaser for later. And here is the power supply unit. So if I remember correctly, it is the same thing just remove the screws and it will come right off. So this thing is really well made, quite delicate but well made. Yes, here we are. So we have the power supply section with some venting holes here, the connector for it. Here we have a different kind of connector, it is a round one. And in fact, I believe each one of these heatsink is a module, is part of a module that can be separated, but as removing this rear panel will allow to see them all at a time, it will not be necessary to remove each one of them. Okay, so here we are. So now everything is naked and it is a little less heavy. So in the next video we will have a look at the wiring inside at the bottom, because it is quite incredible, and then we will start looking at the modules.